at? Where's she at? Wait, this way.
We gotta wait for Tyler. We need all of us here.
I got grenades equipped too.
I've got it. I never had a grenade. I don't know how the heck you got it.
Alright guys, when we throw them in, throw them one at a time. Don't just start throwing them like crazy. Like wait for one to blow up, and then throw one. And let people call out when you throw it.
I'm gonna try Molotoving. Well, let me get a Molotov down there first.
Wait, stop, Nathan, get back! Oh yeah, she's done. She ain't getting up from that one. I got one more grenade left, so I'm gonna wait until there's...
Was that from a grenade?
Yeah,
I have one
grenade
more.
and a Molotov.
Oh shit versus bitch.
That's all of them. That should be all. No, there's one more. There's one more.
Dude, look, there's a ladder.
Where?
Just in the middle. Oh no, is that a ladder?
Oh, that's where the chainsaw is. There's a ladder down here. There's a chainsaw.
It's just a water. It's just water. I thought it was a ladder going up. I was like, what?
Whoa. I'm out of ammo. Ow. Oh my god.
Fucked them up.
Oh god, do I have any heals?
Where we going, boys? Left or right? How's it going left? Hold on, wait. Check out what's over here.
Wait, left.
Oh, I'm seeing if there's any boxes.
Yeah, that's... It should be where all the shit is, where the shovel. Pretty sure where the shovel and shit is. Should be the cave. I had it one time.
What, the shovel?
Yeah. I don't remember what cave. I think it changes. There's a cave. The taser is the most overpowered weapon in the game. Oh! Fire! What's down here?
I don't know, just want to try to figure out. Watch out, I got my pistol left, so I don't know if I had or not.
They jump heads like Rick Grimes
Oh,
right
we have to
now.
have stupid gear. We have to have stupid gear.
Damn it.
Stupid gear's in the first game, like one of the helicopter games.
Yeah, you can't go down this round. Alright, let's go.
Let's go left. Let's try the left path.
Heard that.
Where you guys at?
Nate, there's a tire pack over here. There's a tire another way over here with batteries and shit.
And there's meds right here. Tyler, can you see them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh where? Oh what?
Right here, right here, right here. What the hell?
As far as it goes, don't go
The
nowhere
hell?
else.
What the hell, hon? What the hell, Bonnie?
Heli?
Can we get through this crack over here?
What the hell, Bonnie? What the hell, they?
Almost. We still got the left.
Yeah, let's go down.
Oh, you sure you can't get through that way?
Nah, we can.
Yeah.
I tried fit.
Seems like you'd be able to.
There's like a left side of over here. Alright, right over here.
Yeah, there's even climbing gear, if I remember right.
Yeah, there's the ice pick, I'm pretty sure.
That's like a hook, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, there's nothing over here. No, yeah, you can't do anything here.
Yeah, there really isn't big shit. What the Haley, what are they doing? Just sitting over here and, you know, sitting on logs making food?
Got combat.
Well, guys. Yeah, we got combat experience for that one, though. Alright, let's go, guys. We'll go back to the business. My dude's hungry.
I had a bunch of MREs. The MREs are the best thing.
Gosh, man, where do we get scuba gear from?
This is the cave on the beach. I know where it's at. Here's one of the other helicopter crash sites.
Well, I guess that means here in a little bit, we're gonna, on the next day cycle, we're gonna go get rid of the high up and then use the paragliders.
More paragliding.
Yep. Just because I want to find the scuba gear, because dude, so far we've ran into like
There's a
3 different
taser,
caves
scuba
where you have
gear,
a
and there's
scuba.
something else in there. It's like the best cave.
Oh, wait.
There we go. You're good.
Uh-oh. I thought we put a tent on the boat, put it out in the middle, and go to bed.
Where you guys at? Oh, I see you guys on the map.
Yeah, we're at the entrance.
I say we go out. We in the middle of the lake, put a tent, and then go to bed.
Heard that. Alright, Nathan, grab the. Wait, we gotta wait for Tyler to jump on
We
the
can
boat.
only do it with one person. You don't have to do bed.
Alright, let's go.
Faster though too. Wait, if I can.
Alright, ready? It's like perfect. Alright, Nathan paddles, I'm gonna put the tent down.
Oh, we should be good here. Actually, I'll go a little further back.
Nathan, we got a problem here, buddy.
What?
Can't put that in the tent. On the rack.
What?
Oh, you can't?
No, wait. I got an idea.
But let me try with the stick first.
Wait, I got an idea. Now we can build just build the bed.
Ah! Fell off.
Wait, we can build a bed.
That's fucking wild. You can build a fire on the wooden rack, but you can't build a tent.
Wait, we can build a bed. Does anyone have enough sticks to build the bed?
Hell no, I got like one stick.
I only got one stick.
I only got one stick.
Hold up, I think I might.
Oh,
I got one stick.
have 0 sticks.
I got one stick.
God damn it. I need 14 sticks. 16 sticks.
Base is right across if we go straight back.
What the hell?
No, need 15 sticks.
Yeah, we just go back to base. That's what I said, yeah.
It's just right across the lake.
Yeah, let's just go backwards. Nathan.
Wait, I wanna build. Oh, we don't got any sticks. Never mind.
Yeah, I only got one stick.
I was gonna build a lantern on top of the ship.
Yeah, all you do, Tyler, is tap it backwards.
Yeah, hold down S.
I'll do it. Onward!
Huh.
Yeah, we need you to be our guide, Dramatic.
Oh, turn this way. Yeah, turn it a little bit.
Yep. A little bit more that way, guys. A little bit more.
I can't give her out sounds when you're paddling. It sounds like you're actually paddling.
I know, it's kind of crazy.
Like, that's a shit sound. Sounds like you're paddling inside the swimming pool. You know, like your doggy paddling inside the swimming pool? That's what it sounds
Oh
like.
yeah, it does a little bit.
Like your doggy paddling inside Dave's pool.
Like slightly. I know what you mean, Tyler, but it. Are you there yet? Sorry, I'm gonna just a little bit more, guys. Perfect. We're good.
bed at? Here.
They destroy our tent.
It is.
Where's Kelvin?
We got.
No, I took the bed down. Kelvin's over there across the thing.
God damn it. I was gonna ask him to
Across what?
I was gonna ask him to fill up the log thing.
He'll be here when we sleep and wake up the next morning.
Yeah, I wouldn't get that.
Oh, why is he all the way over there?
Because
Because we were over there.
He has nowhere work to do.
Oh, so he was walking over to the cave?
I might build a second log hole.
Who's not sleeping? Somebody's asleep.
Ah,
Oh!
I'm out of ammo too to my gun, and I'm out of Molotov.
Oh my god.
I got you, Tyler. Oh, I missed him.
I got a grenade, I got a grenade, I got a grenade.
Oh, there's the water.
Ah, do not do a grenade. Do not throw a grenade.
He's down. Where'd we get this guy to follow with us?
I just blew the one's brains out. That's all. The one with the lantern, I blew his brains out. I got one.
Oh,
I
look
got-
at me, Tyler. Oh, he fell in.
I like instantly killed him.
Yeah.
Might get another one over here. Another guy. Oh, there he is. Trying to get Nathan still.
Right. Oh, nope. There's another one out. I blew one's brains out. With pistol.
Oh, there's a big dude I think coming.
Where?
Oh no, it ain't a big dude.
I get him. Wait. Oh. Oh, never mind. No, he's running. Oh, he's gone. Oh. Holy shit. Guy's like
Alright,
a
let's
quarterback. Holy shit.
Let's try to sleep. Let's try to sleep again.
No, there's still one. He's gonna come and get us.
Yeah, he's just gonna stay over here. He won't.
Oh, he's coming over right here.
Here, wait, get out of the way, Tyler. We'll shoot him with it. Thingies.
I was gonna shoot him in
Ooh,
the
I
head.
cut his head off. I just cut his head off.
Uh,
Clear it off. This is like cut it clean off.
Oh, there's Kelvin. No, let's go to bed.
Sleep.
Does it take forever Calvin to walk, I guess?
Nah. Oh, let's go.
Alright, let's get a chance to start this fire up.
Where's
real quick.
Kelvin? There you are. No, you don't. Oh, you can grab spears for us? What?
You can get him to grab spears for us.
Yeah, he can grab spears for us. We built a spear holder. You're gonna put him inside the spear holder too.
Oh, fuck! I didn't mean to do that. I thought I was short of water shit.
Yeah, he'll do a lot for us. Yeah, I like. He's my favorite one. I'm actually gonna start filling the log holder.
Oh, dude, you can make egg milk. You can actually make egg milk in here.
Did you make it?
No, make that egg.
Oh, the only thing are like chickens roasting. Is there chickens in this?
Is there chickens in this?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, there ain't.
I haven't seen any.
Seems like there would be a chicken.
Oh, it's maybe like a little overpowered chicken.
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool though, you know, you can like chicken eggs.
Yeah, there's a.
Oh wait, why is he following me? Calvin's following me for some reason. Why? Oh, I know why.
He's going to grab logs. Where's he at?
What the heck? There's a bad guy dragging off a log. What? They can drag off logs?
Yeah.
He's dead, I killed her. They were just dragging off a log though, as I was watching her. You know, Jacob, they could drag off logs.
Oh, watch out, Tyler, behind you, behind you.
Oh shit.
Get out of there.
That was my last bullet.
There's more, there's the other one down there. It's cause I killed one of them.
No, they'll attack us no matter what, sadly.
Oh, he's crying, no, one's crying, look, he's crying next to the dead body I killed. Aww.
I love the AI in this game.
Bruh, that's why they're killing us, I just killed one. I should never killed her. Dude, that was actually pretty realistic, dude. She was like actually crying about it.
Oh, what? Can we not build onto the sled? I mean, onto the boat? That's not good.
I think a lot more starting to come with armor on. Uh-oh. I think you're just chilling now.
For now, they get annoying.
What are we building here? I'm gonna get logs.
I'm gonna start building onto the tree house a little.
Here, I'll throw you up logs.
I told Kevin to start selling the thing. Oh, what the hell?
Damn, they're harder to get up there. You grab them?
They throw them over here. Oh man, they do damage.
Grab more. Don't kill me, people.
You can grab them from the holder. Grab them from the holder.
All in thinking that.
Oh wait, fucking, where's your dad?
Why is Calvin pointing?
He points at him.
Oh, that's what he's doing?
Yeah, he points at him for us. It's helpful. It can be like really helpful.
He was doing it back here in the woods and I was like wondering why.
Yeah, whenever he points, it means he sees one of them. Oh! Kevin should be filling it up for us, that little holder thing.
We get more logs. While he's doing that, I'll get more logs on top of it. Dude, badass treehouse.
How the hell did you do that, you pathetic?
What?
That floating one.
The what?
The floating one, right here. You don't see it?
Dude, it's not floating on my screen.
For me, it's above them all.
It's floating on mine.
It fixed itself. I hit it. God damn it.
I put it like on rock. I know you ain't supposed to be able to put it anywhere on rock.
Oh, you gotta beat it down?
Let's try it. Ah! I hear one.
Can the tribal people kill Calvin? Like, just start whacking them?
Yeah, that'll beat the shit out of him. We're gonna reset the Molotov trap. Yeah, I reset the Molotov trap.
I think that's why he's already bloody, because someone was already beating him up.
Yeah, they beat the shit out of him. They can kill him. I don't think they can permanently kill him. Dang. I killed him once on accident. We had to fully restart. It's like the first time I played this with my friend.
Oh, you killed him on accident?
Yeah, we gunned him down. Now we beat the shit out of him. We just started.
Oh, you didn't know you could kill him?
No, we didn't know he died forever. We started whamming on him, and then when he died, we were like really sad. Oh, dude, you just reminded me, Jacob Pettit.
What the hell just happened?
Wait. Oh, shit, wait. Let me put this back. Let me put this back in my inventory. There we go.
There you go. This gate takes your health away.
It does like a small bit of damage. Wait, let me heal. It's like if it hits you, you have to like catch it perfect timing. Wait, let me eat a shit ton of food and all that. We can build an entire ass like lighting system now. Now we have a battery and all that. We can build electrical fences. The electrical fence is good, but we can't do it with logs, sadly. We have to do it with, what's the column?
Oh, sticks?
Yeah, we gotta do it with sticks. We wrap the thing on shit. Yeah, you have to do it with sticks for some stupid reason. Yeah, so so what you do is you place the sticks down, and then you put the, oh shit. And you put the metal wire around it, and then it electrifies them. It doesn't kill them, but they run away and they don't come back after that. But you also can, like, build a light bulb and all that shit.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna do the light system. I'm probably gonna do the light system. How the fuck do I do a light system?
Yeah, I'm throwing 2 logs up there.
Oh, what? Now that one I know that it hit me.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, let's cool it down. I'm gonna mess around with the layout there. Okay, yeah, now throw them up. There. I wish we could like expand it outwards, but it won't let us. I want to build a window actually. I want to make it look really nice. Look through the book. How do I make electrical?
Why the fucking attack me, you little shit? They're just like hanging around on the trees.
How do I make an electrical fence? Electrical fence? Oh, what?
Oh shit.
That one I know didn't hit me.
They speak to the trees, that's what they do, that's why they're on the trees, Nathan. They speak to the trees.
The trees speak Vietnamese.
They're the Lorax, they're the Lorax, they speak for the trees.
The trees are speaking Vietnamese.
They work for the Lorax. They speak for the trees.
Oh, we can
Oh,
build,
look out, one's about to get hit.
we can build struts? Wait, what? We can like build a high house basically. That's kind of cool.
There's deer, I want to kill them, but there's no way you'd be able to sneak up on one. Oh, one's still in the log. What do they do with the log?
They don't. They just steal it from us.
Oh, because they know we're using it?
Yeah, they know we're losing it, so they just steal it. Oh yeah, I'm going up now. I was looking through the book. Wait a minute, wait. Before you throw any more up, I gotta like mess around again.
I want to try killing a deer.
They're easy as hell to kill. Wait, before you throw any up, I'm messing around with the layout again.
Oh, here you go. So you can lay the blocks down up there like as you want them?
Yeah. Somewhat. It's like messing around with it.
Just somebody went out there just want to...
Just throw it up now.
Maybe cut more trees.
Oh shit, there are new cannibals here, I think. Oh, what? They got my trap. My trap went off. I guess I killed one. Killed one. Molotov. Trap, where they went. So let me get back up there. I was
trying maybe you know to get them to balance up there.
If you were to throw them through like over here, they probably would. Yeah, they're right
Oh,
there.
I got one. Ah. You gotta like throw it like perfectly straight through it. There we go.
What the fuck? Is there a rock at me?
Oh, I see one.
Is there a rock at me or something? Throw it over through here. Oh, wait. Oh, I got one.
Oh, I see you over here.
Wait, let me... There's one.
What's Calvin doing?
Oh, his own little thing probably.
Oh, is he helping you?
Oh, dude, pilot, use the sled, use the sled.
Oh, you can't get wood from the smaller trees.
Oh, dude, use the sled. Wait, oh my god. Use the sled. I didn't know we had a sled. Oh, wait, don't pick it up, don't pick it up. Wait, I can run it over. Alright.
Oh, you can? No, you can't.
I got rid of it.
You gotta put them in man.
You used to be able to run it over and work.
Oh, on this before?
Yeah, before. I'm still listening up. What's it? Wait. What was it? I was something like you go near this something like that too, or I guess I got rid of that.
Dude, I kinda wanna build a stone fireplace.
That fireplace is nice. We can build it inside here. Inside that.
Or the birdhouse, you can build a birdhouse too. There's a silent alarm. Dude, should I make an explosive tripwire?
No. Whenever you reset it, you have to use more explosives. So use the Molotov trap, the Burn Maker. The Burn Maker trap's the best one. Because it resets and you don't have to use anything when you reset it. Ow. Cunt. I got attacked by one of the things. Use the Burn Maker trap. That's the best one, the Burn Maker trap. Oh, fish, yeah, you have to put the fish trap. The fish trap's good.
Put it inside the water?
Yeah, you have to put it inside the water. Coconut Island. Coconut Island. Coconut Island. Where's Calvin? Where's Calvin?
He's over here collecting logs.
You still put him inside the thingy?
No, I haven't.
What'd you say?
Just putting them over here in a pile while I put them up on the wall.
Wait, what?
Kevin's grabbing logs from your pet and just throwing them in a pile. I was wondering where he was.
I don't think Jeb got this walkie-talkie on.
He doesn't.
I just got to achieve it, guys. Place, it says contractor, place 100 logs. Oh, you placed over 100 logs? Yep.
Coconut Island. Coconut Island. Oh man. I need more love. More. It's kind of gay that I can't build onto here. Can't add onto it at all. That's just kind of gay. Unless I go into the book, maybe.
Oh, I need to find more fucking sticks.
We could build a fucking log cabin. Oh, you build it in the water. Oh wait, I can put a log storage and all that shit on the boat? Wait. I didn't want to do that.
Bro, I need one more
Fucking stick!
What kind of storage would be the most useful for a boat? Look around through all this.
Did you guys hear that?
What?
That yelling? What? There's
Oh,
red
dude,
people over
it's
here.
two big guys, dude.
The big
Hold
red
up.
ones, those are titans. They're called titans.
Grenades. Oh, bro, they run. They run. They run.
I hate those guys, dude. They won't get us. They shouldn't get us on the boat. If they get us on the boat, fuck. They're titans.
I got a grenade right here. Stay back. Throwing a grenade.
Oh, shit.
Oh, did you?
Right, ready? Ready?
Oh, shit.
One's down.
Yeah, those are like the most annoying ones. Those guys are just like most overpowered.
Both are down.
Both are down.
Hurry up, get up there. We can hurry up, finish them off, bro.
What's a mooring?
Can't even get up.
So what's a mooring do?
Oh, there's another big one.
The hell, they got regular faces.
Yeah, they're human.
Oh, I gotta turn off the fucking full damage. See, they can destroy your shit, man.
It's a chick. Big
That's a titan. That's called a titan. That's not. That's a mama. Suck.
Ozzy, watch her go into the water.
What's going on? The big mamas are annoying. Those ones are actually annoying.
She's still standing over there?
Oh! Look at that! He got caught in a Molotov trap!
He just got caught?
Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, he caught fire. He's dead. He's turned. It's called the bone trap. That's called. He's turned the bone.
Look at the raccoon in the tree. Look at the raccoon in the tree over here.
Yeah, they climb.
She just got put all of her weight on me.
Finish her off. Ow.
She's dead. She's dead. Her arm's cut off.
Yeah, that's called the Titan. That's called the Titan. Look think you can take their head. Their heads actually like tear shit off. Wait. Oh, come on. Oh, you can't even grab her head. What? I can't grab her head.
Damn, I got one grenade left.
So my health just starts going down every time. That's kind of gay.
Well, it depends if you're hungry or